Hello and welcome to HidePay. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to easily tailor your checkout process to display specific payment methods depending on selected criteria. Imagine we have a checkout with options for free shipping and express delivery. When free shipping is selected, we'll display only PayPal, and for the other option like Express, we'll show only cash on delivery. Let's set this up in HidePay. Click on Create Customization and choose Simple Customization. Now in the condition window, scroll the list until Shipping Method. In the second window, select Contain and then fill in the word, in our case, is free. Now check the Hide Payment box, and here is important to select when you want to operate. Select when the operation is true or false. This option opens a double customization, one for the true and one for the false. For instance, when it's true, we'll allow customers to pay only with PayPal, and when it's false, we leave the option only with cash on delivery. Save, and as you can see, the rule is already active. Now let's reload our checkout and see the changes in action. When free shipping is selected, only PayPal is visible, and when express delivery is chosen, only cash on delivery appears, and all achieved with just one rule. Ready to transform your checkout and empower your customers? Install HidePay from the Shopify App Store today.